So I've just been focusing on it really. Like I just brush like this and the waves start to form more and more. What else we got? The waves are starting to come across here. And the top got a lot better. Just like that. I brush my top a lot more compared to before. Let me turn up the brightness in here. There we go. So basically this video, I'm just giving you guys an update on the progress. And like, if you guys look at my last video that I uploaded, you can see that I've made a lot of progress on a lot of the things that I said I would progress on. So for example, the top I said I would progress on. And you can see that everything looks a lot tighter. And I said I would progress more on my back part right here, which I have. Most of the time when I'm having my brush sessions, I just usually focus on this and nothing else, and the top. But besides that, I've been working on that spot too. Now I'm thinking about getting a haircut. I haven't had a lineup. I know you guys are probably gonna roast me like, yo, where is your lineup? Where is your taper? I haven't had one. Oh wow, I can't even tell you the last time. And the last time I got a cut was April 11th. So I'm thinking about my next cut. It's almost been a month. And I think for my cut, I'm either gonna go 5 against the grain and trim it down, or I could go with the grain. And I will go with the grain now because as you can see, my waves are pretty much formed right now. You can see that they're pretty deep. And if I went against the grain, not only, you can see my hair, for example. This is why I go against the grain. You can see I don't really have any hair frizzing. That's because the cut I gave myself was against the grain and it cleaned everything up. Usually when I go with the grain, it's not as clean. That's why I prefer going against the grain. So actually, you guys should let me know in the comment section down below if I should go against the grain with a 5, or maybe go, I don't want to say a 2. I don't want to say a 2, but I might go 2. Let me know if I should go 5 against the grain or 2. I'm leaning towards going 5 because I have a 5 guard here. I don't have a 5 guard in Toronto. So now that I have it, like, I want to use it. So let me know what you guys think. But yeah, a lot of my progress is showing on the spots where I said I would progress on, which is exactly how you guys should do it. You should figure out what you need to progress on and put it to work. So this whole brush session, not even brush session, this whole wolf session, I've been focusing on all the weak spots that I said I had previously. You can see the results. So my crown, still closed, still tight. I haven't shower brushed my hair in maybe like 2 days. And I usually do that every day. So I don't know if I'll do it today. What day is it? Friday? Nah, I'm probably not gonna shower brush today. I'm gonna give myself a break. Shower brushing is probably my best tip though. Like, that's why I do it so often, because it yields the most results. And if you guys want the Wavy merch brush, wavymerch.com, and use the coupon code YouTubeFam for 10% off. It's all one word, okay? These are the only brushes I've been using. And now that I'm looking at my hair in this camera, I do need a cut. I'm not gonna wolf like crazy long like how I did last time. I don't need to do that anymore. I like to keep my hair short, or not short, but at a shorter length. So I find it's easier to train. But wolfing is very important, and you need to wolf, but session for me. So it's almost been 4 weeks. I'm gonna cut. I wanna go against the grain. The reason why I'm not really giving you guys tutorials is because I pretty much gave you guys all the tutorials. Like everything I do, I show you guys. I show you guys how I cut my hair. I show you guys how I brush my hair. I show you guys my shower brush method. That's basically all I do. I don't really do anything crazy other than that. So I'm just showing you guys that with simple techniques, a good brush, you can take your waves to the next level. And what you see right here, this is almost 3 months of waving. Almost 3 months. I started waving February 13th, and today is May 4th. Yeah, May 4th. Yeah, my hair is starting to get a little messy and a little long, as you can see. But my hair looks healthy. I don't use any products, okay? I don't use any products. Yet. So, one thing I'm proud of is you can see how healthy my hair is. For no products, it's pretty laid. It still has a shine to it. Yeah, I'm gonna get a cut just now and then attack my hair. When I got the fresh cut, I was going hard. Usually, I told you guys I only have like 1 brush session a day. When I got the fresh cut, I was having 2. Like I was brushing my hair during the day and then having a shower brush session and then brushing it at night. That was when I got the fresh cut. I'm still brushing a lot, but I've toned it down a little bit, just a little bit. But I definitely need a fresh cut because my hair is getting kind of long. And here in Barbados, there's a lot of humidity in the air. And like if you step outside, you're gonna start sweating a bit. So my hair is a little frizzy. It's not fully laid how it should be. But nonetheless, it's time for a cut. Let me know in the comments if you think I made progress or not. I think I did. My top is definitely a lot better. If you guys remember the last video, my top was terrible. Now it's a lot tighter. Got 2 forks really. Wait, where is it? This side right here. But compared to last time, there's been crazy progress. So right there, and it'll be a lot easier to see off a fresh cut. Here could get a little bit tighter. And there's gonna be a fork right here, as you can see. That's because of inconsistent brush strokes, but it's a lot better now than it was before. So now that it's forming, I'm gonna wait until I get a fresh cut and start attacking this part specifically in my crown off that fresh cut. And still right here, still has a little ways to go, but we're still progressing nonetheless. Yeah, that's basically it, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna get a fresh cut. No products. Here's maybe a little fork, but that's easy to get rid of. And that's basically it, y'all. So I just want to give you guys an update on how my waves look and how the progress came along. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. If there's any videos you want me to discuss or any topics you want me to discuss regarding waves, post that in the comment section down below. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. If you guys want the Wavy merch brush, these are the only brushes I'm using. Go to www.wavymerch.com and use the coupon code YouTubeFam for 10% off. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. I'm gonna rag up right now. And I might have another brush session tonight. I'm not too sure. We'll see. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.